Students, today's 29th of bridge course activity learning outcomes. Read a variety of texts of pleasure, for example adventure stories and science fiction, fairy tales, biography or autobiography. आप बीती फिक्शन स्टोरी फेरी टेल्स पढ़ने हैं. Instruction for teacher and parents. Teacher shows adventure stories and science fiction, fairy tales, biography and autobiography. Teacher motivate student to read one passage from chosen books. Teacher guide individual, pair or group. Teacher motivate student to discuss on given passage. Teacher guide only where necessary. Teacher asks student to visit nearest library. Teacher gives list of books to find out in a library. Instruction for student: listen carefully from a group or pair. Read given passage. Discuss on given passage. Ask your doubt without fear. Find out books given in a list. Visit nearest library. Learning activity. Teacher gives a passage of an autobiography. In group, pair, individual, ask them to read it carefully with a simile face. Childhood. बायोग्राफी किसी की लिखी हुई और ऑटोबायोग्राफी यानी कि आप बीती. तो हमें यहाँ पे जो है ऑटोबायोग्राफी पढ़ना है, आप बीती. चाइल्डहुड बचपन. आई मस्ट हैव बीन अबाउट 7 व्हेन माय फादर लेफ्ट पोरबंदर फॉर राजकोट टू बिकम अ मेंबर ऑफ द Rajasthani court. There I was put into a primary school and I can well recollect those days, including the names and other particulars of the teachers who taught me. As at Porbandar, so here there is hardly anything to note about my studies. I could only have been a mediocre student from this school. I went to the suburban school and thence to the high school, having already reached my 12th year. I do not remember having ever told a lie during this short period, either to my teacher or to my school mates. I used to be very shy and avoided all company. My books and my lesson were my sole companion. To be at school at the stroke of the hour and to run back home as soon as the school closed, that was my daily habit. I literally ran back because I could not bear to talk to anybody. I was even afraid lest anyone should poke fun at me. There is an indicate there is an incident which occurred at the examination during my first year at the high school and which is worth recording. Mr. Gills, the educational inspector, had come on a visit of inspection. He had set us few words to write as a spelling exercise. One of the word was kettle. I had misspelled it. The teacher tried to prompt me with the point of his boot. but I would not be prompted. It was beyond me to see that he wanted me to copy the spelling from my neighbor's slate, for I had thought that the teacher was there to supervise us against copying. The result was that all the boys except myself were found to have spelled every word correctly. Only I had been stupid. The teacher tried later to bring this stupidly home to me, but without effect. I never could learn the art of copying. Yet the incident did not in the least diminished my respect for my teacher. I was by nature blind to the faults of elders. Later, I came to know of many other failings of this teacher, but my regards for him remained the same, for I had learned to carry out the orders of elders, not to scan their action. तो ये इस तरह से जो है पैराग्राफ इसके बारे में है, अबाउट गांधी जी, उनके बचपन के बारे में था. सॉल्व एक्टिविटी. टीचर शोज डेमो हाउ टू रीड स्टोरी. आस्क क्वेश्चन. अ फ्रेंड इन नीड इज अ फ्रेंड इन डीड. Mohan, Sohan were two friends. Mohan was a good friend, but Sohan was selfish. One day they passed through a jungle. They saw a bear. They were afraid. Sohan at once climbed up tree. He did not care for Mohan. Mohan lay down on the ground. He held his breath. This bear came and smelled him. He thought that Mohan was dead. He went away. Sohan came down. He went to Mohan and asked, "What did the bear say in your ear?" Mohan replied, "The bear asked to me, be aware of false friends." Moral: be aware of selfish friend. द सेल्फिश फ्रेंड के बारे में ये स्टोरी थी. तो हमें सेल्फिश फ्रेंड्स से दूर रहना चाहिए. प्रैक्टिस. टीचर्स गिव अ प्रिंट आउट ऑफ वन स्टोरी टू रीड फॉर प्लेजर. द हिडन ट्रेजर. छुपी हुई खुशी. छुपा हुआ खजाना. Once there was an old farmer. He had 4 sons. They were lazy. They did nothing. They were always quarreling. One day the farmer fell ill. He knew that his death was near. He called his sons. He said, "There is a treasure in our field. Dig it out after my death." Then the farmer died. The son went to the field. They dug the whole field, but there was no treasure. A wise man advised that to sow wheat. They sowed wheat. They had a good crop. They learnt the value of hard work. They began to work hard. Moral: no pains, no gains. यहाँ पे बहुत सारी कहानियाँ दी गई हैं जो मोटिवेशनल और इन्जॉयमेंट के लिए है. तो ये कहानियाँ आप सभी बच्चे पढ़ो 1 by 1 फॉर गेटिंग मॉरल और फॉर प्लेजर. सबक सीखने के लिए भी इन कहानियों से हमें जो है बहुत सारा सबक मिलता है और इससे हमें खुशी भी मिलती है कि हमने मुख्तलिफ़ किस्म की कहानियाँ पढ़ी हैं. दीक्षा ऐप के ज़रिए हम ऑटोबायोग्राफी ऑफ श्रीनिवास रामानुज की पढ़ सकते हैं। हैव अ कप ऑफ नाइस टी बायोग्राफी वे पढ़ सकते हैं। मैं माई टेक अवे टुडे आई लर्न रीड फॉर प्लेजर, हमने जो है प्लेजर के लिए आज पढ़ाई